Welcome students, here I came with my new video. So let's learn something new in this video. In this video I am going to make you learn to design an invitation. So here I have a question that you are a student of Newton Public School which is located in Nagpur. The school is holding its annual function on Saturday the 15th November 2022 at 11 am. The HRD Minister, Dr. M.M. Joshi, has consented to be the chief guest. Design an invitation card to be sent to the parents and other invitees. Do not exceed 50 words. So students, we have to design an invitation card for the parents and other invitees. So you are a student and from the Newton Public School which is located in Nagpur. Your school is holding a function, that is annual function, on Saturday 15th November 2022 at 11 am. So here we have a chief guest, that is HRD Minister Dr. M.M. Joshi. So let's learn how to design an invitation. To prepare an invitation, first make a colorful rectangle box. Then we are giving the invitation from school. So first mention the head, that is principal. The principal, staff and students of. Write the school name, that is Newton Public School, Nagpur. So now here write the invitation, which is request your being presence on the occasion of. Write the occasion name, that is the annual function. Write this in a block letters. If you want highlight, you can highlight it. Okay. Of their school. Now give the information like at 11 am on Saturday the 15th November 2022. Okay students, now write the name of chief guest. The name of the chief guest is Dr. M.M. Joshi, who is the HRD Minister, Government of India. Who will be the chief guest? And give away prizes to the students. So students, hope you understood how to prepare an invitation. Thank you.